Make some snapshots up there, down here. About that size is what I want to build too. Place to clean fish. I want it timber framed like this.
That would be nice. Put it there, across our pond.
Yeah.
Ah, nice plan, honey. Good plan.
No.
What is that again?
Some people were found lying on the banks of the river with their nose and their ears eaten
Based on
off.
Cherokee folklore and legends
Eaten?
surrounding the area, a myth exists about the great leech of Hiwassee inhabiting the confluence of the Valley and Hiwassee rivers in Murphy, North
Oh my God,
Carolina,
that's so scary.
near the Coneheed Park walking trail. The legend, documented in James Mooney's Myth of the Cherokee, describes the colossal leech with red and white stripes residing in the deep hole of the Valley River. People once used a rock ledge above this hole as a bridge.
What is about the leech, huh? The great leech of, what is that? Talanoyezi?
I can't pronounce that, but
That's an
the
Indian.
Cherokee had a thing where if you was a young Indian boy, you couldn't become a man until you walked across that rock formation going across this river. And the story is, the folklore story is that there was a giant leech that would eat young men trying to cross that rock formation.
Oh my God.
And you didn't become a man in the tribe until you walked across that rock, across the river.
You will not become a man until you cross that river?
On that rock formation.
Oh wow.
You can't see it now because the water's up, the lake's backed up.
The rock formation is still in there until
Yeah,
now?
it's right there under the water.
There, that point, this point, the rock is in there?
We're right in here.
You've been riding it? You've been walking in there too?
Nah,
Yo, you did not believe that.
I don't believe it. It's a myth, folklore.
Oh, you should believe that, Han.
Just like the witches of Toboggan.
My God. And what else the story, Han, behind this area?
I don't know anything else right now. This used to be a prison camp for the Indians before they took them to Oklahoma on the Trail of Tears. Fort Butler was the name of it.
Trail of Tears?
Yeah.
Yeah, I read the Trail of Tears in the...
The government grabbed all the Cherokee up and marched them by foot to Oklahoma, where half of them died.
Oh gosh.
And took their land.
Took their land?
Because they found gold on it.
Oh.
Okay.
That's a cave. Is somebody go in there?
Something in there, I believe. But look. Something's using it. Something's in there.
Huh. People cannot go there.
No.
Only animals. I think possum there.
Raccoon or beaver or something.
I'm scared right now that my phone will go down. Wow. We're walking under the bridge. This is Valley River and Valley, and this is Hiwassee. Oh, here's two river again meet each other.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow, beautiful. This is Hiwassee. And that's Valley. Hi. Okay, honey, tell me the story about there where the house is.
That's called Lover's Leap.
That one where the house is?
At the top of the mountain.
At the top of the mountain, that one.
Lover's Leap.
Lover's Leap.
Story goes, an Indian girl and a white man fell in love, and their parents wouldn't let them be together, and made their life hell, and they knew they couldn't be alive and be together, so they jumped off that cliff into each other's arms and killed themselves.
There? Oh my God, the one that's really the mountain there?
Yeah, so they would be together forever.
So both of them dead?
Both of them dead.
Oh my God, how old is that story goes?
Back in that 1800s, I think.
Oh my God. Wow. So until now, the story alive?
Yeah, still going.
Wow.
I'm videoing.
What's that there?
Sewage.
That one?
Yeah.
Ay, that's a sewage. That's a pool.
Yeah.
I thought that was kind in Florida, you know?
No, that's sewage.
What is that, the one in the Florida hand that looks like that?
That's just a marker telling you that's as far west as south as you can go in America. You might.
Wait, there's a lot of steps, Han. Look.
I see.
What they're doing here? Why there's a lot of steps?
I don't know.
A lot going there and going there. That one is dead.
Mm.
Oh my God! What is that?
What?
Hey, is that a pool?
Maybe.
What is red? Oh, it's a red. Looks like a poop.
That's not poop. I don't know what that is.
What's that? Okay now. Ron, look at that.
I see it.
What's that?
It's like Play-Doh.
Huh?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh? Oh, that's beautiful.
Your body.
Okay. Yeah, I found one again. Beautiful picnic area. Honey, how long you been here?
Straw, and for some reason they'll just be like bedded up into that straw.
What's that? Oh. Okay. Look, they're playing there, Han. I can't get them. Okay, there they are. So cute, oy, oh. They are happy having a bath. Yeah. Taking a video. No, they think I'm gonna give a food. Oh, they think I'm gonna give a food.
You can't.
I cannot give a food, B. You know, if I can just give, I'll bring a bread. No, look, there's somebody coming. Ah, ka-cute. Family. Oh, kaluoy man ani. Sus, maluoy jud ko. Maluoy jud ko magtan-aw nila. Oy, kay murag gitawon sila nangayo og food nako. Oh. Nak. Hello. That's your mother? Uy, na may gis nga usa. Ay, cute kaayo sila, oh. Sugat in town sila nako, nagtuo sila nga tagaan ako silag food. Nice kaayo, they have a blue under their feather, they have a blue color. So beautiful, the white one over there. Beautiful. Go back to the river ka. So cute naman. Woo! Tumo ka. Tumo dito sa river ka, pangita mo fish. You go and look for the fish. You go and look for the fish, okay? Okay, you're so big. That's why big one, no?